I'm going to demonstrate how does the black screen problem occur of this RX 5700 XT graphic card problem. The problem, at the beginning I thought it is a crash, but after searching through the Google for quite a lot, then I know it is a known defect, which is a black screen. That means the Windows is still running, but the the screen is black due to the problem or defect of this graphic card. So many customers they encounter this problem, and this problem can be triggered by so many different variables. Even the AMD, the company, they still haven't fully find out what is the reason. So it depends on who is not so lucky to fall into this kind of defect. Some customer the card don't have defect, but this card have this black screen defect. I will demonstrate it so you can have a look. First I'm going to show you the configuration. Okay, I'll show you one by one. First, let's check the hardware information, device manager, and then display adapter. And this is the display adapter. And we can have a look. I'll push this camera nearer so you can have a easier way to see it. As you see, this is the graphic card 5700 XT I just bought from Lazada, and this is the driver information, which is the latest driver. It managed to solve some of the problem, but this defect is still there. Okay, and I will also show you the AMD information. All the information I set to default. Okay, this is the tuning I set all to default, and everything go with the default way. And this is the driver up to date 20.7.2, latest driver. And even I change to other driver or older driver, the problem still remain. Okay, and I'm going to demonstrate. I open up Premiere Pro 2020, latest version also. And basically, the problem occurred occasionally when you apply some effect in the Premiere Pro. And sometimes you just do some basic configuration, it also crash. It also trigger this problem. And you also don't know when it will be triggered, but I'll try to demonstrate for you. New project, task 5728. I create a new project and I'm going to put in one single video, and we can see how that's problem. I create a new sequence from clip, which is very basic, and now we can play, right? And now the issue I'll try to trigger this problem. This problem may not happen 100 times, 100%. So I will show you how it may happen. I'll put some video effect onto this. I'll put some of the video effect first. For example, at the beginning I put a color balance into it, and it runs. It is slow, it's okay. But when you do some drag and pull, or you do some configuration, it will suddenly become a black screen. But I will show you this, the monitor. I mean the computer desktop. Here you can see that the button is on. Later, when the problem is triggered, the button is still on and the machine Windows is still running, but the screen will become black. Suddenly will become black. Okay, I will try to trigger it. I'll just anyhow put some little stuff. For example, I open software. It may trigger the problem. It may not, but it depends. It may run for some time and then you hit it. Okay, here's GPU-Z is a standard software, and I'll put some remove this effect. Maybe I put some other effect. And I'll put in Premiere Pro manufactured effect, the default effect. We can see what happened. For example, I put in color balance. That's a very basic effect we built in the. See, suddenly the screen become black, and you can see the computer is still on, and there is no problem. It is still running this Windows, but the screen just become black. At the beginning, I thought it is crash or hang, but after some time, I realized it is a common defect. So many customers they report some of this card on the Google, and I'm bad luck because I fall into this defect. So I'm very sad, very disappointed. And on the other video, I will show you on the GTX 1060 or 1070, everything will run no problem with the same procedure. So you can compare these two videos to see the problem of this AMD 5700 XT graphic card. Okay. I have to manually reset the computer to switch off. Then I have to switch on again to turn on the computer, which is very annoying. Just for a few minutes of the normal operation, then I face a problem. Okay, you can see me in the other video about a proper way in the other card. The same computer, same config, everything same. Okay.